Hi guys, we're back. We finished building the printer. Now we're gonna start to level it and get it ready to go. So the first thing we're gonna do is turn the power on. The screen's gonna light up. Quick walkthrough. We have your bed temp, or our nozzle temp, our bed temp, leveling, file selection, all of our extras and settings, and the ability to move the machine around. Right now we're gonna go back into the main screen in the center here. Go up to the nozzle, we're gonna hit PLA, get it nice and warmed up. Go ahead and hit the back button at the top. All right, now we're gonna level the bed. First thing we're gonna do is hit leveling here on the screen. After it's done moving, this is where we set our Z offset. So you're gonna go ahead and take a piece of paper, you're gonna slide it right underneath here. Real simple like, all right. So you see how it's right underneath there? What we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here and we're gonna start bringing down the nozzle head. Mine starts to rub right around 0.85. All right, seems like it's glued on there. There's a bunch of boogers in there. Let's check it now. That's perfect. So you can see we got some scrapes on there. Perfect, we're gonna hit save right over here. The head is now gonna jump up and down a few times and it's gonna save itself. After that, we are gonna hit the auto level button right here on the screen and it's gonna go through and do a 25-point check to make sure that the bed is level. It is stopped, the head is stopped, so we're gonna go ahead and hit that button and now give it the time it needs to go through and make sure your bed is level.
Question for you, Jeff. This is a different process than the manual has. Why are we doing this differently?
We found that if we do it the other way, sometimes your bed can become in danger of being scratched by the head, and that can cause damage and or other problems.
Okay.
This is a way that makes sure it doesn't happen.
Thanks.
We're coming up on the last area that it's going to check, and it should go back to the center of the bed now. So we're going to go right over here. We're going to hit the back button again. We're going to go into select the file. We're going to hit the Benchy, and we're going to ask it to print.